Welcome, soldiers. Thank you for studying the art of warfare. Thank you for following this channel and giving your immense support. Believe in God. Love your fellow man. Eat healthy. Train your body. Take care of your equipment. And now, something you already knew. Zero tolerance CTO for 50CF. The zero tolerance CTO for 50CF is a masterful example of precision engineering and modern knife design. Conceived as a compact yet highly capable folder, it blends strength, elegance, and performance in a form that has made it one of the most respected models in the zero tolerance lineup. The knife features a 3.25-inch CPM S35VN stainless steel blade. A premium steel renowned for its exceptional balance of toughness, edge retention, and corrosion resistance. The blade's sleek draw-point profile, paired with a fine satin finish, ensures versatility in everyday cutting tasks while maintaining a refined aesthetic. One of the hallmarks of the ZTO 450CF is its construction. The design combines a titanium frame lock on one side with a carbon fiber scale on the other, creating a knife that is both durable and lightweight. This hybrid architecture not only provides strength, but also conveys a sophisticated, modern look. Deployment is achieved through a smooth KVT ball bearing flipper system, enabling rapid, effortless blade action. The secure lockup is delivered by the robust titanium frame lock, further reinforced with a hardened steel lockbar insert for long-term reliability. Despite its robust materials, the ZTO 450CF maintains an extremely slim and lightweight profile. Weighing just 2.45 ounces 69 grams, this makes it ideal for discreet everyday carry while retaining rugged dependability associated with zero-tolerance knives, designed in collaboration with acclaimed custom knife maker Dmitry Sienkiewicz. The ZTO 450CF reflects a balance of artistry and utility. Its minimalist design language and flawless execution embody the ethos of modern high-performance cutlery. In summary, the zero-tolerance ZTO 450CF is more than a compact folding knife. It represents the fusion of premium materials, innovative mechanics, and aesthetic sophistication, setting a high standard for what an everyday carry knife can achieve in both form and function. Thank you for following this channel and giving your immense support. Goodbye. We wish you a pleasant rest of the day.